Hi, this is Amanda Headley. I serve on the St. Albans Town Select Board. Today I'm at the old DPW site where they're proposing a boat launch. Come with me and so you can see the slope down to the water. Here I am. I'm 185 feet from shore, and the water is about 4 feet deep. Now I am at Cohen Park, where you could install a boat launch. I am 173 feet out, about 4 feet.
This is from mean water line to the top of the bank.
This is where the ramp would go. This is where the parking would be. You could have boats pull right here and then pull out that way and not have to back into any spots. Now I am at Kare State Park, where you can launch a boat here for $2 for a lifetime pass if you're a senior or a veteran, and it's $150 a season, or $120, you have to check that out, for everybody else. So this ramp is quite steep, but goes right into the deep water. Now I'm at Hathaway Point Fishing Access. This has 2 different ramps, so you can launch straight here, or you can launch over here. And both have deep water. Plenty of parking, as you can see. It does get a little congested on busy days, but there's plenty of spots for boats and trailers.